Setting up SAP Concur for your organization involves several key steps to ensure smooth integration and usage. Here's a concise guide. Sign up and access. Visit the SAP Concur website and sign up for an account. You'll receive login credentials and access to the Concur portal. Company configuration. Log into the Concur administration account and configure your company settings. This includes setting up company information, policies, and expense types. Integrate financial systems. Connect SAP Concur to your existing financial systems, such as your ERP or accounting software, for seamless data transfer and synchronization. Create expense policies. Define and configure your company's expense policies within Concur. Set limits, categories, approval workflows, and compliance rules to ensure consistent expense reporting. User setup. Add users to the system. Assign roles and permissions based on their responsibilities. Ensure each user receives their login credentials. Training and onboarding. Provide training sessions for employees on how to use SAP Concur for expense reporting and travel booking. Use available resources, such as tutorials and support documents. Mobile app setup. Encourage employees to download the SAP Concur mobile app for the on-the-go expense management and travel booking. Provide guidance on logging in and using key features. Test the system. Conduct a pilot run to ensure everything works correctly. Test expense submissions, approvals, and reimbursements to identify and resolve any issues.